is try this out again. I will upload this Excel also in the drive. So what you can do is you can uh, leave it as you can try it again if you want. Then what you can do is make an attempt to do the CFA. We will come back and do it tomorrow. Make an attempt to do the CFA the uh, for the two factors. Model a single dimensional factor for PJ and model a single dimensional factor for creative performance behavior. So try to do that and see if you are able to estimate the factor analysis. In terms of reading, let me just tell you, in terms of reading, there is a second folder which is CFA and SEM. Okay, so the first paper here, Ullman, it just gives you a brief introduction. It's a very short paper, not a very short, it gives you an introduction of what is SEM. Most of it we have already talked about. If you are interested, you can go through it and see, right? Model identification, you see it gives you these formulas P plus 1 and so on. Sample size also, it gives us some data on that. Okay, so it is just a background paper. It gives us some formulas for different fit indices. Okay, and model modification, again we talked about it. Yeah, so I just thought it may be a good, you can just have a look at it. Then the second paper, if you are wanting to cite any paper for the fit indices, this is the paper that you can cite as to why on page number 9, appendix A, it gives you what are some of the cutoff values. So chi-square P should be greater than 0.05, we have discussed. Relative chi-square, that means chi-square by DF should be 2:1 or 3:1, not more than that. RMSEA should be less than 0.07, GFI should be greater than 0.95, RMR, SMR, right? So that is something that you can. So this is a good paper if you want to cite for why you are saying that these fit indices are good fit indices. Forner and Larker paper, this is a seminal paper which cites, uh, which is often cited for AVE and CR. So if you see these kinds of models that are there, and on page number 45 of this paper, the author has actually given this formula. If you see, this was the formula that we are doing, the reliability for the construct. Okay, you can highlight equation number 10. This is the formula for composite reliability that we have just done. Similarly, formula number 9 is the AVE formula. I have not given you this formula, but it amounts to the same. Okay, so this is the paper that is often cited for AVE and CR. Madhu Vishwanathan's chapter, the chapter that we did, we have been looking at. If you go to the appendix of this chapter also, in this where he has given all the formulas. On page number 86, he has given reliability of measure. This is composite reliability. So this is the formula that we did. And average variance extracted with P. This is also, so summation square, lambda square, and sum it up divided by lambda square, yes, which comes out to be the same formula that we did. So this is also a place where, and he has also cited Forner and Larker 1980. This is the paper that I just showed you. Okay, then there are two books I have given. These are very nice books on SEM. Okay, so if you are interested in, I have tried to cover quite a bit of it, but so data preparation, if you are interested in understanding SEM, data preparations, then specification, how do you draw, identification, all those DF things, estimation, hypothesis testing, measurement models. So you should at least read chapter number 9, which is on page number 230, where he talks about measurement models and confirmatory factor models, and then structural regression. So I think what is most useful is chapter 8, 9, 10, where he is talking about measurement, structural regression. And then this last book, again, I have given you a copy of this. This is a PDF version. This is structural equation modeling using AMOS. So if you are not able to, or you want to revise, refresh, this is a very nice book, okay, where she has actually, Barbara Bain, she has taken you through chapter by chapter, how do you do SEM using AMOS. So this is a focused book on doing SEM with AMOS, right? So that is also there. Is useful for, so you can read it at your, and there are chapters for confirmatory analysis using AMOS program, first order CFA. So you see chapter number 3 itself, she is talking about how do you do it, model summary, water model evaluation. So this is a very nice book to read if you want to learn AMOS and how to do SEM. Okay. Okay. And yeah, so let me, so as an assignment for today,